Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with another video. So I know it's been a long time since you guys seen DYHair777 here on our channel. And if you guys been watching us for a while, you guys should already know that DY Hair is probably one of my favorite vendors. Like, I don't know what it is with the quality of their hair, but it just lasts a long time and it's just gorgeous. Like, I seriously never had an issue with their hair, and I'm not saying this just because I'm sponsored. I'm saying this due to experience. Like, their hair, I don't know what it is, it's just, I love it. Like, I love their hair. So in this video, I decided to revisit them and check out another one of their wigs. And the wig that I have is their Brazilian deep wave lace front wig, and mine's is 20 inches long, so 130% density. I know it's a little bit on the thinner side, however I will be working with it still. The color is the color number 1B, and my cap size is the size medium, and y'all see my head is huge. But if you have a bigger head than me, they also have a size large cap, and if you have a small head, they have a small cap, etc, etc. But yeah, I decided to check out one of their wigs. In this video, I am strictly showing you guys exactly what I do to customize my wigs, because I know a lot of you guys will buy a wig based off of our reviews and then come to our channel and ever so politely tell us how much your wig didn't look nothing like ours. So I'm showing you guys exactly what this wig looks like straight out the pack if I don't do anything to it. Now, I did wash the hair because that's just my standard. I wash everything before it goes on my head, and I also cut off the lace. But other than that, I didn't customize this wig. I didn't bleach the knots, I didn't tweeze anything, I didn't do nothing to it. And as you guys can see, the wig doesn't look that great. Like, if you look at the part is really dense, the hairline is really dense. You can't really, it doesn't look natural. It's simply put, it doesn't look natural, and that's exactly what I mean. You have to go in and customize your wigs before it looks anything like ours. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So I know you guys seen this method a million times before, however I'm going to do it every video because I know a lot of you guys are new and a lot of you guys may be lost and clueless. So yeah, so first and foremost, I will be bleaching my knots, and I'm taking my basic white bleaching powder in my 30 volume developer. I usually use 40 volume, however I decided to tone it down just a bit for those of you guys who are beginners. So yeah, now when I mixed up the bleach in the cream, you are going to be looking for a rather thick consistency. You don't want it to be runny like yogurt or like sour cream. You want it to be thick, almost like a frosting, like a buttercream frosting. So yeah, I went ahead and I applied that to the lace. I'm going to allow that to sit on the lace for about 25 minutes or so. You're going to want to constantly check it to make sure it's not lifting too much. Otherwise, you're going to have some over processed hair. You don't want that. So now I'm going in with my neutralizing shampoo. You don't have to use a neutralizer. You don't have to use this. I have it, so I'm using it. But I went ahead and I did 2 shampoos, and then I'm following it up with my Shimmering Lights toning shampoo. You guys, I apologize for the lighting. I have this new camera and I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I need to figure out the white balance or whatever it is, but for some reason my videos are looking so overexposed, and yeah, I have to work with it. So bear with me. I promise you guys, on the next video I'll get it. I'm practicing it. I'll get it. But right now, I'm just conditioning the hair. I'm using my silicone mix conditioner. You guys don't have to use exactly what we're using in this video. However, if you guys do want to check it out, I will have a link to everything you guys see within this video, including my brush, my combs, my edge brushes, gels, mousses, all that good stuff located in the info box below. So be sure to check there. But I went ahead and I allowed the conditioner to sit on the hair for about 30-45 minutes or so. And that is what it's looking like, all nice and juicy and wavy. So right now I'm gonna go in and just style up this hair, and this is one of the more crucial steps. This is what's going to make your wig look natural and look like ours. So I'm just parting off the baby hairs. I'm separating those, and now I'm just tweezing behind the hairline. You're gonna want to do how do I say it, like brush like strokes, if you will. Just kind of going back. This is going to make the hairline look less dense and look more realistic, because like our hairline, it doesn't look all extra boxy and thick. It's pretty thin up there, at least mine's is, shoot. But yeah, go ahead and do that. And this is all the hair that I tweezed out. It's not a whole lot, so don't be alarmed, but you are going to want to take your time, so you don't want to create bald spots, because after you do that, pretty much you're screwed. But right now I'm just applying some of my foaming wrap mousse, and then I'm just going to just lay up the baby hairs. Now, before you guys complain about baby hairs, I will be changing this style. I actually didn't like this style. I recorded this video about 3 times and I didn't like the straight back look, so I decided to add a part, and I'm going to do very minimal baby hairs for those of you guys who don't prefer it. But yeah, right now I'm just brushing out the curls, making those waves pop, using a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse, and I also scrunched the hair, and that's what that's looking like. Once again, I do know that the color of this video is very overexposed. I apologize. But yeah, this is actually about a week, maybe 2 weeks later. I decided to change up the hairstyle, and I'm doing a middle part, and once again, minimal baby hairs. So I went ahead and I parted off the hair in the very center, and I did tweeze the part a little bit because it was a little dense for my liking. Did that off camera. But right now I'm just fixing up the front perimeter, as well as just once again styling up the hair. And this is what I mean by minimal baby hairs. I'm just literally using like strands, and not so much like that whole thick look. But I'm using strands, and once again, this is just going to disguise the lace. This works for me because I always have an issue with allowing the lace to blend in with my skin, my forehead. So a little bit of baby hairs really does help. So if you don't want the baby hairs, it's totally up to you. But this is what the wig looks like. It is the knots are bleached, the front perimeter has been thinned out a bit, have very minimal baby hairs, and the hair is dry. This is actually the next day. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, and we'll see what we're working with. Okay, so now I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder, and this is in dark, and I'm just going to apply that to the parting space. And I'm doing this to kind of open up the part a little bit because I didn't want to tweeze too much hairs, being that I do want to, style this hair in different parts and different, positions. So I didn't want to put too deep of a center part. So when you use the powder, it really does help open that up. As well as I did go around the perimeter of the hairline to get the lace to kind of blend better in with my skin tone. So yeah, now, as I mentioned before, this wig is 130% density, and a trick that I use to make the hair look a little thicker is picking it out. Just use a wide tooth comb and pick out the hair, and it makes the hair look a lot thicker. However, it's not going to look unrealistically thick. It's going to look very natural, and as you guys see, yeah. So I'm going to give you guys a quick 360, and yeah. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like, and I'm loving it. As you guys can see, once you customize the wig, it looks natural, and don't mind that crust right there. It's a little dried up gel. I'm sorry, you guys. It was a kind of hectic week. But yeah, you guys do check out DYHair777. You guys use coupon code ELISE to save an additional $10 off of your purchase. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.